जल्दी जल्दी। गुड मॉर्निंग समान नंबर।
गुड मॉर्निंग सर।
आप नहीं बोले तो मैं बोल रहा हूँ। तो
सॉरी सर।
आई डोंट विश यू गुड मॉर्निंग मेरे घर में पूछते मालूम व्हाई यू डिड नॉट विश समान नंबर टुडे बोलते।
अच्छा सर।
इतना हल्लू लॉगिन हो रहा क्या थी। सब लोग आ गए और कोई आना है। शोएब नहीं दिख रहा। अदनान भी नहीं है क्लास में। शोएब नहीं है। शैल वी स्टार्ट। Have to make one important announcement, man.
Yes sir.
From tomorrow, our class will be slotted at 8 to 9 in the night. Our class will be slotted at 8 to 9.
Green sir will take till 8:30, sir.
Green sir will take till 8:30 in the night.
Pardon me?
Till 8:30 he is taking sir, Green sir.
No, that will be changed. You need not worry. Our class will be from 8 to 9.
Evening, sir.
or evening, night,
Okay.
whatever you want to call.
2 classes, sir.
Pardon me?
2 classes, sir. Morning and evening.
No morning class. Hello, no morning class. I repeat,
Yes,
no
sir.
morning class. You have only evening class 8 to 9. And one more thing. Uh, hmm, I wanted to do same topic for you and JSL 41. So we'll start off circles today. That part we'll see later. Take a
This
fresh
weekend's
page.
question will what?
No, the problem would be Sunday exam. Sunday exam, shall we write? क्या बोलते हैं उसको?
Quadratic
Quadratic.
equation, sir.
Quadratic equations.
Yes, sir.
History will write.
Sunday exam जो है, you write quadratic equations. For today, take a fresh page, put the heading, circles and system of circles. Can anybody tell me what is a circle? I'm waiting, man.
A circle is a closed figure with no sharp edges.
अबा स्कूल में पढ़े थे डेफिनेशन बोल रहा है.
Circle is the set of all points at a fixed distance from a
Locus.
The locus of a point which moves in a plane, it is equidistant from a fixed point. Look here. There's a point P. This point P is moving everywhere in the plane. मैं जिधर भी जाऊं, P is behind me. I was really irritated by P. So I told P, look, Mr. P, you please don't move everywhere or wherever you like. Henceforth, you please move in such a way that with respect to a fixed point A, you maintain a distance of R units. I told P, look, Mr. P, with respect to A, you maintain a distance of R units. P went here. Then P was given a slap. Why is P given a slap? Because this distance, is it greater than R
More
or
than
less
R.
than R?
More than R.
More than R. P tried to come here.
Less than R.
Again, P was given a slap. Look, Mr. P, your distance is less than R. करके P was given a chamat. Then P said, enough of these chamats. I will not eat any more chamats. Hence, it came here, it came here, it came here, it went there, it went there. Trace the path being traversed by the point P. Just join all those points where all P went. What do you obtain? You obtaining circle. What is this fixed point called? Center of the circle. What's the fixed distance called?
Radius.
Radius of the circle. Hence we say equation to the circle whose center is alpha comma beta and radius a is x minus alpha whole square y minus beta whole square is equal to a square. कैसा आएगा ये? सेंटर को विल कॉल सम a. This distance is a. Do you remember how you start with locus problems? How you start with locus problems?
H
Let
comma K.
P of h comma k be any point on the locus. By definition, what is PA is equal to? Small a. बच्चे लोग, what will be PA square? A square. What will be PA square distance between 2 points? H minus alpha whole square k minus beta whole square is equal to a square. Locus में, climax में, or in case of locus, in the end what you do? In the end what you
Replace
do?
H by
H and k by
X and
y. Equation to the locus of ph comma k is x minus alpha whole square y minus beta whole square is equal to a square. If you expand this, what form it takes? Correct? 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 Agreed?
yes, sir.
How do I write this? X square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. This is called circle equation in what form? Standard form. In fact, what will be the circle equation whose center is origin?
A square plus y square equal to r square.
And radius r. Mane, your alpha comma beta now became 0 comma 0. Alpha comma beta became 0 comma 0. Alpha comma beta became 0 comma
Square
0.
plus Y square equal
What
to
will
a
be
square.
circle equation? X square plus y square is equal to r बोला radius r. Origin, x-axis, y-axis. What are the points where circle cuts x-axis? Put y is equal to 0. X square is equal to r square. X equal to plus or minus r. This point man.
minus r comma
Disappointment.
0 comma 0 comma minus r.
Minus r. Any doubts? Any questions so far?
Sir, alpha x you wrote gx. I did not know.
This x term I wrote 2gx. There is a x term. Your 2g is minus 2 alpha. Your 2f is minus 2 beta. Your c is alpha square plus beta square minus a square.
Understood, sir. Understood.
Agreed?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Understood.
Like, one second. Like, याद है आपको स्ट्रेट लाइन का स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म क्या था? करेक्ट?
Yes, sir.
स्ट्रेट लाइन का स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म है ये, सर्कल का स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म है ये.
Okay, sir.
Am I
Understood.
clear?
Yes, sir. Understood.
Any doubts? Any questions? All of you, I'm waiting.
No, sir.
Okay. Now, one more point before I move ahead. Very, 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 very important topic. You take any exam, any competitive exam, JEE, मेंस ले लो, एडवांस ले लो, बिटसैट ले लो, कौन सा भी एग्जाम ले लो. In any exam, 70% of the paper will be calculus and geometry. In this, 35% contribution calculus, 35% geometry. Your geometry includes 3D, vectors and complex numbers. Next 3 months, will be doing geometry. Correct? June 2nd, Telangana formation day के दिन start करें. June 2nd, July 2nd, August 2nd, October 2nd. June, July, August. July, August, September. September 2nd तक यही चलेगा. This entire geometry. Very, very important. Clear? Not this part. Any doubts? Any questions?
No doubt, sir.
चलो. Click the write fast. Add way 19 नीचे.
17 है, sir.
और दो चलेगा क्या चीज? शोएब पे तो नहीं है क्लास में? Anybody has शोएब नंबर? कोई टच में है शोएब से? Done. Can I clear this off?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
1 minute.
अबरार हो गया?
Completed, sir. Yes, sir.
Adnan? No Adnan today?
Yes, sir. No.
Yes, sir.
Anybody has Adnan and Shoaib's number?
Yes, sir.
फिर आप दोनों को कॉल करो. सईदुर रहमान.
Okay, sir. 1 minute.
हाँ. I'll wait for you. Call both of them. Saidur Rahman, what's the update?
They are not receiving, sir.
दोनों भी.
Sir, offline है, sir.
ओके. हम कोशिश करें और क्या कर सकते हैं. Pay attention. X square plus Y square. What is this called?
Standard.
In fact, लाइन इक्वेशन को L करके डिनोट करते हैं. सर्कल इक्वेशन को S करके डिनोट करते हैं. Is called standard form or general equation of a circle whose center is anybody minus g comma minus f, radius is root over g square plus f square minus c. In fact, इसका मतलब ये है center is equals to minus of. बच्चे लोग, what is x coefficient?
2G.
Minus of coefficient of x divided by 2 minus of coefficient of y divided by 2, which is minus of, नीचे लिखूंगा, minus of 2g by 2 minus of 2f by 2, which gives me minus g minus f. Anybody can tell me how I get this? Anybody can tell me how I get this? मैं लोकस में एक्सप्लेन करा दिए. बोलेंगे बोलेंगे बोलेंगे. मैं बोल दिया g स्क्वायर वाई स्क्वायर प्लस 2fy प्लस एक्स स्क्वायर, सी को उधर डाल दो। कोई शक? कोई
No,
शक?
sir.
What do first three terms constitute?
X whole
Next three terms constitute
y plus f whole.
right hand side root over करेक्ट।
Yes, sir.
इसे किस प्रकार से लिख सकते हैं? रूट ओवर in what form is this? X minus alpha whole square y minus beta whole square is equal to a square, करेक्ट। अब भी लिखे अपन।
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
इसका सेंटर क्या था? अल्फा
Alpha,
कमा
comma,
Tan
beta.
beta.
रेडियस
Minus
क्या
J.
था?
A.
A.
सेंटर, फिर से सेंटर क्या था? अल्फा कमा बीटा। रेडियस क्या था? ये।
A.
कंपेयर करो, अल्फा कमा बीटा के बदले में व्हाट डू आई हैव? माइनस
Minus
बी
G.
कमा माइनस एफ। इन
Yes.
प्लेस ऑफ ए व्हाट डू आई हैव? रूट ओवर जी स्क्वायर प्लस एक्स स्क्वायर माइनस सी। दे राइट द सेम,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
implies center is equal to radius equal to root over g square plus x square minus. Come on, please write fast, don't take more time. Henceforth they are 1 hour classes, so you should cooperate. थोड़ा जल्दी लिखना सीखो।
Yes, sir.
फर्स्ट ईयर में गाड़ी थोड़ा स्लो रह सकता जी, सेकेंड ईयर में गाड़ी भगाना।
And sir.
1 minute, sir.
जासिम,
Yes, sir.
देर,
Yes, sir.
नो नॉइस।
Sorry, sir.
Sufyan, I think he's also from Saudi, no? Jasim,
Yes, sir. He's from Saudi.
he's not there in the class today.
Sir, don't know, sir.
Can I?
Yes, sir.
Take example. बच्चे लोग सेंटर क्या है?
2 comma
Correct.
yes
Radius.
under root of 2 square plus 3.
9 plus 4, 13 plus 1, 14. Correct.
Yes, sir.
Shall we move ahead? Can I move ahead?
Yes, sir.
Can you identify the mistake?
Sir, x
Can you
square
identify?
term is, sir, coefficient is 1, x square and y square.
Whatever we spoke for x square plus y square. यहाँ पे 3 दिया, नहीं कर सकते ऐसा. What is circle equation? स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म में लिखना. स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म में नहीं है. स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म में लिखने के लिए क्या करना? स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म में लिखने के लिए क्या करना?
Divide by 3.
6y by 3. Correct.
Yes.
Now center.
Minus 2 by
Minus of minus 4 by 3 by 2. Minus of minus 2 by 2. What's the center?
2 by 3, comma 1.
Radius. Root of इसका स्क्वायर minus of, give me the answer now.
Figure, sir.
कितना radius?
4 by 3.
4 by 3.
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Sorry, there was a call from Aziz sir. Am I clear? बच्चे लोग
Yes, sir.
कल से नए बैचेस आ रहे भाई, पूरा टाइम टेबल दिन में अब तक 6 बार बात करा मैं अजीज सर से सुबह से. दिस वाज द 6th कॉल. ना लुक एट 4th पॉइंट फिर से लिखेंगे. Whenever you write x square y square standard form, You should never forget writing S is equal to 0. S is equal to what's the center? Radius. बोलो जी, मैं बोल रहा हूँ, बोलो ना, सेंटर क्या है? Speak out, man. What's the center? Hello, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Center minus G. Speak out, man. जोर से बोलो.
minus d minus
Zero mode.
सब लोग. Radius.
g under root g square plus f square
C.
ऑडियोस अनम्यूट करके बोलो जोर से. सेंटर.
center
Square
is
root of
minus g minus
रेडियस.
under
Under
root
root of G square minus F square.
What is this? Line equation in standard form. Why to write this one as a point? What happens when line passes through origin? C will be 0 because it will satisfy 0, 0. Similarly, what will be circle equation when it's passing through origin? For a circle passing through origin, its standard form is, बोलो जी, बोलो man, x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy is equal to 0. Reason? Since c is equal to 0. Because circle has to satisfy 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, c is equal to 0. Am I clear?
yes sir.
Yes, sir.
Next. Look at consequences of this standard form. Next. If then S is equal to 0 is called real circle. Real circle माने you can see it. Real circle माने you can see it. Radius exists. बोलो man. Point circle. What are these point circles? A point है. This point itself is a circle. What's the radius?
0.
0. So g square plus f square minus c is equal to 0. It's called a point circle. Point circle means a dot. All dots, all dots, all dots are point circles. Then such a circle, calculus में बोला मैं, what does DNE stands for?
Does not exist.
Does not exist. That is, radius is unity. Such a circle is called, बोलो man, what is the circle called? Unit circle.
Yes sir.
No. अगर सर्कल का सेंटर एक्स एक्सिस पे रहा, what happens man? सेंटर का y कोऑर्डिनेट इज 0. सेंटर का y कोऑर्डिनेट 0 माने 2fy is equal to 0. What I'm trying to say, equation to the circle whose center is on x-axis, बोलो man, is of the form, चलो what form?
Square plus y square plus 2gx plus c.
Similarly, that means figure में coordinate geometry, all figures center is on x-axis. यहाँ पर भी draw a figure, circle is passing through origin, so it's a circle, correct? बच्चे लोग correct? बच्चे लोग correct? Circle passing through origin, circle center on x-axis. 8-1. Equation to the circle whose, आप लोग बोलना है, center is on y-axis is of the form, बोलो,
X square plus y square plus 2fy plus c equal to 0.
center is on y-axis. I should stand like this. You should not see the board. बोलो, don't write, don't write, don't write. Those who don't have disturbance at their end, please unlock your audios. You can mute your videos. Those who can unlock their audios.
If y
With
equal
no
to 0, then y
disturbance at
square
their
is
end.
equal to 0, no, sir.
Pardon me?
If y is equal to 0, then y square is also equal to 0, sir.
No man. Shall I explain that doubt of yours later after writing this?
Yes, sir.
पहले ये बोलो, सर्कल इक्वेशन स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म में क्या है?
X square plus
Square
y square
plus
plus
y plus 2gx
सब
plus
लोग बोल
2fy
relax.
plus c equal to 0.
मेरे कान पड़ जाना, मेरे ब्लूटूथ फेंक देना, मैं उतना आवाज होना मेरे को. सर्कल इक्वेशन सेंटर, सर्कल इक्वेशन स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म बोलो.
S equal to x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0.
उसका सेंटर,
With center
Minus
minus
g,
g
comma,
comma
minus
minus f.
रेडियस,
under root g
The
square
root
plus
of g square plus f square minus c.
I repeat, I request all of you, please speak out, utter. Second point, what will be the circle passing through origin standard form?
x square plus
y square plus 2gx plus fy equal to 0.
What is the real circle?
g
Real
square plus
circle.
x square minus c greater
G
than
square plus f square minus c greater than 0.
What is point circle?
g square plus f
G
square
square
minus
plus f square minus c equal to 0.
c equal to 0.
When the circle does not exist?
G square plus f square minus c is less than 0.
What is the unit circle?
g square plus f square
G
minus
square plus f square minus c equal to 1.
Circle whose center is on x-axis is of what form?
X square
x square
plus
plus
y
y
square
square plus 2gx plus c
2gx
equal to
plus c equal to 0.
Circle equation center on y-axis.
X square plus y square plus 2fy plus c equal to 0.
Correct? Come
Yes,
on,
sir.
write this now. Write this. सईदुर रहमान,
Yes, sir.
ये देखो, इसका सेंटर का है जी?
2,0, sir.
-2,0 माइनस ऑफ कोएफिशिएंट ऑफ एक्स में
Sir, -2,0.
रेडियस क्या है? करेक्ट?
Yes, sir.
इज योर डाउट क्लियर?
Yes, sir.
थैंक यू। चलो बच्चे लोग डन?
Sir,
वो बच्चे लोग डन? Can I clear this off?
yes, sir.
नंबर कौन सा, कितने नंबर हो गए जी? 8 9 कुछ नंबर्स लिख रहे थे अपन। लास्ट
Yes,
नंबर
sir.
क्या था? नंबर था
8 was
8
8 हो गए सर।
9। याद है अपना ज्योमेट्री स्ट्रेट लाइंस में हाउ डू यू डिफरेंशिएट बिटवीन टू पैरेलल लाइंस? ऐसा भूल गए तो कैसा राजा?
The constant term.
हाँ शाबाश। टू पैरेलल लाइंस लिखेंगे ये भी, ऑलवेज डिफर by their that is Lx plus My plus N1 equal to 0 and or N1 not equal to N2. N1 equal to N2 हो गया तो आइडेंटिकल लाइंस बन जाएंगे। और बोलो जी। सिमिलरली अगर सर्कल इक्वेशन में if two equations differ only by their constants, then क्या होगा? डिफरिंग by their
Radius
constants
different रहता।
में
concentric.
रेडियस डिफरेंट रहता, सेंटर सेम रहता।
Yes, sir.
सेंटर सेम रेडियस डिफरेंट, सेंटर सेम रेडियस डिफरेंट, सेंटर सेम रेडियस डिफरेंट। व्हाट आर सब सर्कल्स
Concentric
कॉल्ड?
circles.
Concentric.
Concentric circles. Two concentric circles always differ by their constants. They have what do we have? Same center.
Different radii.
चलो वो भी ऐड करेंगे। डिफरेंट रेडियस। अदनान है ये बोल सो डिफरेंट रेडियस। I did not see the face.
No, sir.
Square plus y square
Junaid said, sir, not Adnan.
right, yeah. X square plus y square 2gx 2fy plus and बोलो 2gx plus 2fy c dash is equal to 0 are what are they? Concentric circles. Agreed? C not equal to C dash. Correct? Huh? Any doubts? Any questions? कोई शक?
No, sir, no doubt.
चलो copy this. और एक पॉइंट है जल्दी इसके बाद वी कैन सॉल्व प्रॉब्लम्स
Yes, sir. Completed, sir.
चलो shall we move ahead
Yes, sir.
बच्चे लोग shall we move ahead can I clear this off
Yes, sir.
10th point last point after that we can do some problems applications of these ideas a second degree non-homogeneous equation in x and y of the form what ax square will represent a circle if and only if it satisfies one सर्कल इक्वेशन में क्या होना फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल बोलो मैम
Coefficient
Note,
should
ma'am.
be 1.
Coefficient of x square must be equal to coefficient of coefficient
Y
of
square.
y square. That is सर्कल इक्वेशन में क्या आपको ये टर्म दिखेगा?
No, sir.
बोलो मैं सर्कल इक्वेशन में डू यू फाइंड दिस टर्म?
No.
Therefore this should not come. When does this does not come?
H equal to 0.
H equal to 0. 2 coefficient of xy is equal to 0. Radius exist होना. When will radius exist? Radius will exist if d square plus f square minus c either greater than 0 or equal to 0. यहाँ पे क्या आता? Along with that a coefficient भी आ जाता. That is g square plus f square minus ac. Anyhow coefficient of x square equal to coefficient of y square अपन 1 कर देते. a 1 हो जाता. You will get our earlier condition. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
Therefore, tell me when does a second degree non-homogeneous equation in x and y will represent a circle?
When
For the first
coefficient of
condition, read out, man, speak out, talk, shout. Chalo.
coefficient of x square is equal to the coefficient of y square. That is a equal
मतलब
to
क्या
b.
है? हाँ, second condition.
Coefficient of xy should be equal to 0. That is h
मतलब
equal to 0.
h equal to 0. Third condition.
G square plus f square minus ac should be greater than or equal to 0.
Write this. Can I clear this off?
Yes, sir.
What does POI stands for? बच्चों लोग POI stands for
Point of intersection of line.
चलो सिंपल प्रॉब्लम्स है. Don't tell anybody that we solve problems of this type. IIT क्लास में ये प्रॉब्लम्स करे तो इज्जत का फायदा होता मेरा. सिंपल बेसिक एलिमेंटरी. चलो आंसर दौड़ा दौड़ा देना.
-1 whole square plus y minus 1 whole square equal to 9, sir.
ये दोनों का पॉइंट ऑफ इंटरसेक्शन क्या है? 1 1 दिख रहा है मेरे को.
Yes,
Correct
sir.
है?
1 2.
Correct.
POI is satisfy कर रहा 1 1. 2 plus 3 5. 2 minus 1 1. So circle equation. Next one.
X plus 2 whole square plus y plus 3 whole square equal to 4.
What's the required circle? Correct है?
Yes, sir.
इसका सेंटर क्या है? Radius is given to you as 2. Correct? R square is equal to 4. What is R square man? Correct? What is G square? H square. C dash. So what's the value of C dash man? Is it 9?
Yes, sir. 9.
So circle equation. What does equitriangle stands for?
Equilateral triangle.
Equation to circumcircle.
क्या बोले?
Equation to circumcircle, sir. That is.
हाँ. What happens in an equilateral triangle?
All the 4 points meeting the same point. Circumcenter.
Hmm.
X minus 1 whole square plus y
Shabash.
minus 1 whole square is equal to 5.
Abrar, super correct. In an equitriangle क्या होगा? This is G is also S. What is it equal to? So circle equation 1. Radius will be this distance. Under root of
Root 5.
1 plus 1 whole square plus 1 minus 2 whole square. Am I correct?
Yes, sir. 5.
So what does it give you? X square plus y square minus 2x minus 2y constant बोलोगी. 4 plus 1 5. Square root of 5. 2 minus 5. Is it minus 3?
Yes, sir.
Okay then. We shall continue tomorrow. I will not say same time. Timings will be informed in course of the day. Thank you.
Okay, sir. Thank
Okay,
you,
sir. Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Okay, sir.
Can I close this down? Abrar, can I close it?
Okay. Yes, sir.
Thank you. I'm closing down.
Thank you, sir. Bye.
Bye.